Hello students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying your good health. This is your SST lesson, and in this lesson we are going to read unit number 12, helping others, from Word Watch 2. So you are supposed to open page number 73 and read this page with me. Students, what is meant by helping others? Do you have an idea about it? Do you know something about it? What is the meaning of helping others? Students, helping people means acknowledge them, share their sorrows and happiness. Helping people means acknowledge them, share their sorrows and happiness. Helping people means helping yourself, because when we help people when they need it, then they help us when we need it. Helping people means helping yourself actually, because when we help someone, when we help people in need, they are happy, and then we are in need for help, they help us in return. So helping others means to give happiness to others, which should be purpose of life. So helping others means to give happiness to others, which should be purpose of our life. Clear, students? Now come to the reading of page number 73. Students, the title of the page is Edhi's Old Van. Students, remember this, said Edhi's mother. You must always help poor and sick people. Students, you know about Edhi? Who was Edhi, or why was he famous all over the world? Students, Abdul Sattar Edhi was a Pakistani humanitarian who founded the Edhi Foundation. Which runs the world's largest voluntary ambulance network, along with various homeless shelters, animal shelters, rehabilitation centers, and orphanage across Pakistan. So he was the founder of the welfare organization, you can say. Clear, students? When Edhi was a young man, he went to Karachi. He saw many sick people, but they had no money for medicine. So he started a clinic and gave them free medicine. Students, in the first paragraph, we can learn that Edhi's mother advised him to help poor and sick people. She wanted to see him as a helping hand. She wanted to see him as a good human being, as a helping hand for others, the people who are in need of help. So when he was a young man, he was grown up person, he went to Karachi. And when he went there, he saw many people. They were sick, and they didn't have enough money to get medical facility, to get medical aid, to get their checkup. So he saw their poor condition and thought about a plan. He started a clinic and gave them free medicine. So he started his mission, as he was a very soft hearted person, and his mother advised him to help the poor and sick people. To make up his mind, he started his work. First of all, at the beginning, he started with the clinic. he opened a clinic and gave free medicine to the poor person, to the needy people. The sick people could not get to hospital, so he used an old van as an ambulance. Students, if there were sick people, they could not arrange any ambulance or any transport to go to the hospital. So Edhi thought about an idea. He used an old van for this purpose. He used an old van to take the poor person, to take the sick people to the hospitals. He found dead people on the street, so he washed them and buried them. As he was very helpful person, he was very kind hearted person, and his mission was to help the human beings. So if he found any dead people on the street, any person who was lying carelessly, who was lying dead helplessly on the street, on the ground or in the street, he used to wash them and buried them himself. Iti did not have much money himself. Iti was not a rich person. He was a common man. He worked in an old office. He wore old clothes, but he did not care. Students, he was not a rich person, but he was a kind hearted. He made up his mind to serve the humanity. Students, money doesn't matter. It's our mind, it's our willpower that excite us to do something. So Edhi was one of those people who made up their mind, who made plans to serve the humankind, to serve the common people living in the society. So he worked in an old office and he wore old clothes. He did not wear fresh new clothes, costly clothes. Instead, he wore old and common clothes, ordinary clothes. But he did not care. He did not care what the people would say, that how type of person he is. He is a poor man and he is going to take big steps for serving the humanity. He did not care anything. He did not care for any person, what the other persons think about it. Clear, students? Now come to page number 74. Abdul Sattar Edhi. Edhi's full name is Abdul Sattar Edhi. As I have told you in the beginning that Edhi is known as Abdul Sattar Edhi. Now there are hundreds of Edhi ambulances and hospitals all over Pakistan. As he took initiative and he made up his mind to serve the humanity, to serve the common people living in the society. So he started with the simple clinic, a small clinic. He started to take the poor people, to take the sick people in an old van, and he started his job. He started his mission. Gradually, with the passage of time, he worked hard, he served the humanity, and with the cooperation of other people, with the help of other people living in the society. Now there are hundreds of Edhi ambulances and hospitals all over Pakistan. Now he was working in on a large scale. Clear, students? He spread his mission. He spread his serving all over the Pakistan. Similarly, across the land across Pakistan in other countries. He is known as a server in other countries as well. He remembered his mother's words. In the beginning of the lesson, we read that his mother advised him to help the poor and sick people. So he kept those words into his mind. He recalled his mother's words properly and followed her instructions and guideline. Clear, students? Now come to next part. Circle. Then write the sentences in your notebook. 1. Idhi's mother told him to help famous, rich, poor people. Idhi's mother told him to help poor people. 2. She wanted him to be rich, good, famous. She wanted him to be good. 3. When he was a young man, he came to Lahore, Karachi or Quetta. When he was a young man, he came to Karachi. 4. He started a shop, clinic or business. He started a clinic. 5. He bought a car, van, truck. He bought a van. 6. Then he took sick people to the school, mosque, hospital. Then he took sick people to the hospital. 7. He buried sick, dead, rich people. He buried dead people. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. You have to read page number 73 and 74 again and understand the concept of humanity and serving. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.